You good for you. Na sena Roberto Sobekano.
Well. Please, Ayarigated Sports.
Okay.
A perfect program.
Yeah.
Perfect engaging and perfect unexpected. Okay. Ayarigated Sports. A papa. So listen to Ayarigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. And then not so for my better so.
Other for me in this CC chum. Na debia miti Ayarigated Sports. There's no day minti Ayarigated because miti amenije na me stress
I say be lock it now block it there. That is a Shawali.
This is Shatta Wali right from the Shatta movement and you're listening to Ayarigated Sports. Lock it down. Block.
I know. Open your kwaba. Then I was
Bibia. Yenya.
Say Bibia will go.
Oh, Bibia is fine. And as Bankunim, we
oh, yeah, was it? Madu Mike, no, Maduno, T. Maduno. Mamma Kwame Aquaba, we are the Mamma Kwame Aquaba, and I was Medumo, so Mike, no, and I get them and Kwame. Kwame Missy Aquaba. Kwame Missy Aquaba.
Bonnie be a when you're grand. Send a or Boman and Subomia Busumi. Is it me said any young or didn't? What was I coming?
No, Nisana and Bedimani tree, Jamaica. Oh, coming money on Fanopa. Yeah, dear sir. Yeah, dear sir.
Make a clinic and no pay. And I'm a buy. Me drew and I now can't see what tea. Make me a car in the moon. Kuku ni sietro. I shaba give me sietro. It's na me frɛ force because we know who say car ni si was no ni wa. I brands no hu. Me frɛ na so wo studio so ni e. Obi fa safare mre me na. Me hu sa de ni sika ni. Na me nyimfro na me ni di. I was say me no maduro. And so Obi is ready to go to Sakakra. It will not be Zenka or Mobia Dream for Sunan Quaco. It's with Lawana. I want the king by, and I'm saying there was a Cocusim, and I'm saying you know, you enjoy and I'm sa friend and say, so I'm an one high or kitchen hole. And to be a sweet and still no mind, I'm saying, also need the town, and I'm a video call. No, who said the other necro.
Where is a woo?
Me say,
go dear Jado.
Your friend say, well, I punch it. You're trying to say, when you're the unward in the Tamas kitchen. Oh, Tamasi. This is we did. And yes, and your friend is saying, Tune. Yet you try to take us in it is a footballer.
Anyone quite the wrong.
Ya me book a crown. Once are you a fan? I'm so fat to Aqualan, yes. Yammy one and say, not Okro student Dawson. And I'm saying, no moon top taste, no moon pepper. I'm going to man. When you be knowing and tell Crana. Then I tell Docro. I tell Docro New Kruma. It's Mediterranean from one or fair China. Unya Benkunba Kudiano or Baya. Ayaw and your cry. And I'm saying, I
Sakoka drone am now me am see obi programs ana sister bako by say bram pacho bet me am yen could do and me ban me number do say
on me do ho no
that one number do to be wedding by friend yen twa ke kura yen could didi
ade ba ko so why you from ni say the moment mo be say mood di
Ghana boy didi we ya
na ye be
and say me happen me dey na asi kakra nsa o munya di we pe do afa na ba
ka bi obi
da bi ontie bi it be na sister dey
say one yam maintain
fa chire na kwaji kakra na wonko akodi di che say yenya hwe ntimi nche duane no ene so kwaji kakra ma na de ko say flowers bi atia kakum kwaku
South Africa is hoboko
we dey
we nya boko sa
there be enquiry but no emuye
but the ibia ba
o my peace match bi dey patch on ade but
oh da bi me na me person ka o mo friendly match South Africa and Nigeria e wa Abuja
WWC play bi akra nko by this time
oh na me so mbona me hwa de
oh hwe sa de inside dey mo mo na ba bi am say Abuja no en ko bo
Abuja
am ko bo wore Abuja de o ye
Oh, friendly match you. Enye.
Nobody kaka was say almost on the chopper. Nigeria for Africa for yaka. So we decide to try something extra. Because say
we touch up we go see na ade afibia moye die din bi mu a
de bia no akonom san be didi o ma bia no akonom san be didi o
ensan
na say enya omodan omi no madwim pa enya omodan
Africa no say be bia omo ni etwa ho yeye
omo life mom
yenyi omo primu e
you just see am no ka say krobi so akafe no akwaje visa ko
o na say ni sa na
ade na say Kwanso no so mo be we visa
e start next year
we be start ya we be kra wi
omo aye ho documentation dey ade be take effect next year
e baba mo ma bro dey em kwansa
obani na ene ansa ne ebeko bibia mu no yemfa abaso kese ma ye nua be ma kodwa sarebra ko abate wonua
Kofi asai brako abate
Kofi ya no na me nya news no ba nsa no na e ba
say you appointing us special aid to the Minister of Sports, Youth and Sports, and Osai spokesperson.
Yeah.
Na onua bre.
Wa bre.
Ti obre fudi o wa homa no so. Onua wa homa.
Onua. David Thomas. Bro. Na bibia mo ko de.
O can't see really by ba.
Really ba kwante poso. Wow.
Nipa blepe yo.
Ave o chom no zaka ni so house. Eh, saka we.
Ko fi se nipa blepe ko fi egusu bi o ye. Et wo ye.
Oba de say ya we mema nkwa de be bre sa.
Na ya se
na ko fi na ada na say de oni afam.
Ne be fam. So around appointment no commentary kakra.
Sunday no na ko bia kuma ta
Asante ade no.
Enti akan e wa Africa.
Yeah.
Na nyamincha de menzo na me MC e wa stadium ho. Na stadium na goals ni ba na se ni pa di ho kakra. Na e ma supporters so ni aje kakra.
Yeah.
Ni pa yede because goals na ba ina na e clean goals. Na e clean goals. Aje ma enka wenjem goalkeeper di na oda go pa e classic boy ya e boy bi. No that go pa na say e classic support no e ya e fan net en search what I say. Enti keeper na oye ni amonga ka na headmaster chan mapa ana ni bufu na da na yo tough match no ana oja okwa fum enti match ni time so ye na aye hu no ana ye ni ma me so okwa fum ye ko he no ba no be da poni ti e ba na akaka ni apon match na ka be 10 minutes ana nkofo ni strike na ball shot bi so na that nanim si go ana ye argument wo omoji ni won ana ye fienko bisa keeper no say goal na nye go e ko bisa keeper no say master ball no won say o say clean go o say clean go e findia ni won clean go e bufu kwent no a classic ball your bonus a shepo ni mu na play shepo ni mu kra agi so mo je chiri bi ka se sha na we dia o mu team na elu sin jom se anya go na kwani ko bobo no hu se na 9 ni dominate ni abi je bi sam se ko bisa keeper na oda pon keeper hu bo so se clean
go e fi bia ni ho
ko two goals no mu se na clean go we refi bia mo obi a clean go
okay
ya ko se four goals ya already tibi ka se bi
na abate yanhwe appointment ya abai de dikan ya matrinkwa de dikan
da ma se ba dem da se bre na any the class any me monya kwanya ma frame sa na enye ni panyina na be se dem muyi em se odo sonko a na e dan intem me ka wo Adom FM ai Ofie ngoko ba e am beto na she white la cost bi ana kola ni red achefa okay
na kola ni
red kola ni sana ni red na shed ni white na ya ko fi no abante na gusu aga kan se na ngopon adaruma obo drive time e wo Adom FM no ni pabre na meka se nyame na adwuma ye nanka betinya ka se ni pompon so nyina ne se akwa the same industry, Ministry of Youth and Sports. Na ediani na muan wanya di brebia eben sa position kasa.
Yeah.
Na akoba se honorable Minister of Youth and Sports and kasa honorable Isaac Esiama, the sector minister, or no Ankasa, Etonensa, FM, say, Opese, the Bebuano, na Negmano Ekon Kansia, say, he believes in me, say, I can be a very good spokesperson to him, as well as a personal aid. Now, Okan's man Puntina me Japan and Sema Bebois. And I'm say, oh my hodo first, Ghana first. Yeah. There's here Nadia who Jim Niabua, near Joe Minus your Didikai. And I'm shaming crying and say, Badger, I did because of Hannah among for him, and they shaming crime and just at the brain. And they say, Honorable Isaac Siama, Nabra Siabai, and or share say, Vaku, His Excellency Nanado Danko Fado. Now, you need training pitches, you need football stadium, baby, or Ghana. Can you not kill me and can you come
Kofi Jinaye, na ese chucha.
No, the name of baby, me Pia Montiaka, Jia. And His Excellency former President Kufuor, Ebesin, you know, Esipon, Anna Tamaleka, who you for, and the late President of Ghana, former President, His Excellency J. Nos. On also China for yeah, I don't know so on the sea kept smiling. And to honorable banners, as I say, you did football pitches. I could be beer as I say, now, first of all, young regional centers. I wouldn't know near I say, Obia, the only bino, young compare another place, near to be moving for. And it's all over Ghana. His Excellency, Nadaruma, Obo, Honorable Isaac Esiama, Echidom. Now we see 10 multi-purpose sports complexes. But a for the first time in recent years, many see about me who be that. Seven said the Abba, so the 1 year state of the arts, 10 multi-purpose sports complex. Now, if you need so when you back of Sana, on the Abba taking Sawa kind of crepa. Woko Northern Regional Yendi, ye see you hockey see a pa. Now, and so much at the ACD or no. 10 multi-purpose sports complex mean I Mubiano. You were FIFA standard size. Kofi.
Adwuma de otim so oben why ni ye pa because said the oye uza eno ana oye pa ti e se oba studio mum na ye boy na chira eti ena de yi de na chese we na na pesa ye ma udiri nkwan so na
we go da ko se kotoko ene atuwa di sahedi na hadi no just training market afeni abo communication pa so I say
ana we kwa akoye Ayarigated Sports on ka sabebre waka say enti da obeti nyanga so drive no so na da the whole Ghana we abeti
na sa da no na wo ba ye be set records ni straight because earlier now wo kan now so me buy no me kai pa say wo na wo Peace FM wo bom na wo beto me die wo ba na ya set wo mom na wo dwane fi Peace FM na wo ba Adom FM wo beto me nti da be ba na ye be set da go straight
no obi a tell nyonko
no
that's ready
you fancy ana o de
ba ba dia say pe na say piano
okay
na ta bo agency piano papa
yo okay opani ba adwuma fa go do say no
baby what if one kra na man twa agency so a
aka ba bi odo
ube nkwane no nsia fo na ba boy pro no say no nsia nkase bo na so ntia nso
obi otimi kasa sa 1 hour 30 minutes say ayi extra time kra ba ne ade a oberon
Ofie Peace FM ba ofro na ne o temano na no use Benz bi na o me call ayi sa emutuo ye wo sese ba bi o ma be farmers hwan market wo committee 11 we ya call na ye ban unua me ye me time ye intino ti aso kakra ne ko so Jerry Benz ye fan ko speed sa yeah but also Benz there utwin group e kon boko
Benz ye fan ko
me take no front ram shako edi also there be Benz do ba bi nipa o za o u de jeja boko one interesting guy.
Also, in 2012, so Okujina.
Oh,
I know person went to the swab.
See, Nadia, who you be an
come here, sir. We become
open you, bro. Okay, say, Brena now on
Yama, Zona crack, crack of
Ozona.
Oh, say, convoy, yeah, Korea,
no wrong.
Say, a different one. Yeah, the call. I tuned that.
As soon as we become a good young being, if you come in out here, politics. But we have politics.
Yeah, 9 years old. Oh, now a quamu down to me the way they got. we be say na said one one story you go say clean go we do say na victory there ka oh obvious ave de kodu ya ave de
abato de entu ye kwa na me ba no na me mood nse da enye sa but you guys have managed to change the mood but
you're managing is
somebody coffee buy na just coffee asama ka no ni jesem mana me wa ho sem ba kwa me de nam da kwa no free ha kwa ekodu fie no yeti fie na information buy say aye enompe na yakwasa santa krade no afedi akwahwe enompe nim
tie na ma oye yi
ahu say aye takrade for girls no enompe enti for now de e betimi akase enkwada no me ensa nyina no omo firim omo ni atase for asase so biem
me de na me ma
one follow
man follow wo kai sa ahokija guy na ye ne ba no guy na already mine here.
Oh, you was on my show today.
Who's any guy in Kasai? Yanni Kasawaha. Emma, that was the last issue I touched on. I'm catching say, "Sa issue is very sensitive. Dagana for Akuma Super, but Ubi Timi who in Yamabinia that on can be on." He said a lot. Emoka say even Sanu Bruno Mokako Kakareno and Yan Colano, but Ode Tigana, a beba police from Babacasa and Colano. Meanwhile, it's not.
But opening me sasa mi a working unse ewie munye nyame sakra na o na o kan tamgu amnemu a o ye den bipie ti se police fo se e futu no mutu agu ani a na ewie munye nyame sakra na na de be chena gesi apia na omo ye de se bia ye wo haye ewie munye nyame sakra na
on be cast a resurrection
o da bi
obi I say don't pay no yes cross so you fani don't pay
and then dry bones no bible sorry no
yes no pay am fa bia ankonkran am fa
enye yesu de
ko betima prasa na so wa na ho prasa
enye yesu de na me kan
Lazarus
I dey say na okay ndi no me
kwaku ti me de betima aka ne say awofo no ate say awofo ni bi say omo de omo nyintum say ayo ba no na ayira na omo ma ne beba ba me fo say wiase separate me dane Enema bia so timi sisi impo America with all their security no there are people who get missing in America about 4-5 years ago up to now ye huma bi kro mo fire security for ni ye bia but awo for me sra mo say omo koma ento omo yam ya de ya opani de so wo masa oba yare kra say ne ho ye wo na wo ba sabe ka fache wa free mu ya de but omo nsadin na omo makoma mra from interview sa metie no to da bia kasantwie ne before say
so man pani from kra ma
so ha kra I say excellency bo ma homa kra
why say
come on pick
na wo headline kra na say or say families of missing Takrade girls refuse to pick a Akufo-Addo's call
na kra me kra bi ni je na nando ye call but I say ka woni omo kasa nsa ne news na pre om just na nando je ohun say my under da
anka o
preparate just na when I wear first say enkwada no antika
ono na ye in charge of the security the commander in chief but I think the information be about no e was an insaka
for say hard train there but empanifo no nya botre na yeso so pedompe no no mutimu say yakrante dompe na omde akoyo so aponche dompe o ita mo pedompe na de koye na no makwa akobọ chire
so asebu o kan emfa to bu ha emfa ma
they use the word no I mean use the word aponche I've been following the story since morning
ni na so peni ubo chire say
so what I say enti me stress yama akoman to yam na adwobremra mu
asem de arọ
asem de arọ ko papa
ba munya botre because kokọ sori adwene nya adwuma go ye bia okoko hwehwe mu so na eno aso na say
ana police
bianca empata bi ni ade e be kono so na eno so ntimi
ana police asama ye kan so no ye ntimi ko fa police fi Cote d'Ivoire na bo Ghana for ho ban police ye wo hai eno an be yisu ko say yesu be ba
o so mo abebo mo ban
what dem cannot ase enti ye stress amama akoma antoyem na akra no so nyankopon enfo mu sie ye na busuan so enhyede
e be yi why akra
because enze ego prophet Nebeka say nkola na ehu omu bi
ego wasa kasakra mpo bi mo say nkola na de omu ye rituals ba kwaku ni obi say am pesa me de asofo bebam
me ka
time asofo ko ha o piet me ache be nkola
be bia nkola na wo
aha nti omu koma no
bono kan say ye hu omu o ka say nya de bi
hu sam so nte yem komse de dan nkola yi koi ana unu say be hu omu
me dey still am see akra na
ka say ye hu omu no
ana ye hu omu ana yem komse mame ano yenya nkomse
say dey hu omu de ana ni say si fom ba ye hu omu yi de
the probability say hu omu na ya more because say your forensic evidence about say e hu no mawi the probability say hu omu na ya more unless this forensic evidence
na aba ho ne dey say mempa ya mebo ane sen kenkoda no
see it mu mo e dey na say after we na chi na when sign ba dey na kwan bia so say o ya na castro
ma me no obi e bo ne sobo ayi see adi boss say
na akoyi kaman
o speedy up
ana me say future the man say going forward no I am for pressure nkasa ma me no security aspect I mean so on the pressure we know where they are and they are safe.
We've spoken to them.
What you say?
But unim yewo security ni manema bi also a on the ordinary ni bi a wo ntiase. It is a ye nanwa dey a we Solomon Gomora ha na crazy a. Papa yi. Oh Cephas.
Only that's a Bible mu asem na. Tactical retreat now okay. Okay.
Also you are running for your life. Also no, we are in charge.
We are in charge.
What I say? Oh, Johnny, but I sure say he's in charge. It's name ni bi on. Okay, that's story. I say
chairman
open your train came mo ko bisa but you are running. I say no, we are in charge.
Yes.
In charge so no or
Tuesday or Wednesday so can one of
ni bi on mo bi a wo won tiase. So hu. Ba minim say asem na edin
that we know where they are they kwakunye security asem
oh
ma me am ba yira asem ni ba bi owo
come on
da bi o ba yira asem ni ba bi owo na no ho ye da go tem de baba afa no wadari dompe a o ka se ma me fo no ba fa na boko sa kwaku de mi ka otiase
de mpesa me kan no de wi a me ka kire
mate
why
kwaku ayi no
bi bia na kan mframa mu
kwaku ayi no Ghana FA competition no they say papa for akofa forms cry I say friend 20 pani body ma me you been another
Tony Obin Obin or spelling is on an minerals commission Tony Obin
akotam form
na obaba akoso afa form say no now say we dey enye masem obaba akofa form
I think say man no be come
obaba akọ friend Amanda
hey kwaku yaso kan dey Amanda
oh there be we nye kwaku Amanda
na kwaku Amanda
so wandam for
there be onentia ba ne say no ono wa ye wi
the name Amanda rings a bell in my mind
ring drum
Abani na osekwa kupama eni wa launch a Twitter account just for ne bid no
okay
to bia hu time Wilfred Kwaku Osei Palmer GFA presidential hopeful P for P they say they makodi na fa
hashtag the people
me dimpa de Osei Kwaku na me hunu say ni din de Kwaku say sa me dimpa no
there's a name no
say me de me ekuada and e frem Osei to me name ne de e na mahwe players awatete wo mo
there's a winning ball
players are fan nsem from Tamayuf no
mame to ne crisis here say Palmer
oto ne kasi ye bona baso
na kala just yamfa ayasi hu so ensha ben
oh debi na de mu jibi bia ansa no me enye senti
ayasi hu sa o debi enye sa
me yesi ye pe youth football development
ye person born
I think he is the best person to beat my answer
ye person born ene ye
youth wo
ankone ayi George free ye
Palmer ye youth
ohwe debi
o say de obeya mabunu ne ye
hwe na koso ankone George free ye so no untimi nka say openi ba akone nye no no de oye because woni ni nyina na nesa
kwa kwende me no nya adwin
oh onu me nya adwin
ya headmaster nya tese teacher for so nye no
sisi openi toto papa so a na otwe ne ho aba omias mi na me na
na kromo nya sa de no eni ase na tamesi efre chire oba
ene ko sisi
someone can
mo show me wi a
me ya ti ase for fatimo na o ko fe wu for dia be
say oluma so nko bi ma from choice ya ba umi ana baba za
o de trawe ya no be hu a ba bi o be twa yu bi afa
say you tell me bu na
ya ka football for us e fa na dia dia kwa ko fe football people ayi executive committee members ni ade nyina no mo so mo nyina aka ho bi na ni say eti abase yes sanye memu na ya normalize ya eden na mu pani ba ko so
asa aka kam ba yes ba be
we am so no so kra no
yes ba be integrity test and me be involved
omunye nyame na say integrity test say obi eni ho be pass
sa ene da
omu bu atan from
da be so bit pass
omu bu obi eni ho be pass me na me ka
da be so bit pass
integrity test obi eni ho no mo tia tia so
am
obe pass integrity
test woni famu ahwan na so go
obe da me na me ya hwan kwa me but almost me
say etiasi integrity test it depends on baby our person obi an obe pass me na me catch Ghana ha
and you inform is American way
oh obi an obe
because integrity
nyantati dia asem kwanhia yo nipa bebre
ono de baby abunani
yo nipa bebre ho munim ka atwi but o munya accident what you say aha ono accident no nya nti nyase bia e bibi hu
kwakuna police are through that.
I drive more than 20 years police in Germany.
Now I couple be I am ya see omo na don't matter police can. A police phone cause omo twem ani asoko. Police can at you no. Oh Florida.
And wo dwagu mu a.
Anyway ni ma re wo na omo ka no. Afa na ma di adi. Ya kire so de omi enu ko no. Police phone down no omo kaka je say.
Eh say.
I want na yire asa di esi ani. No story we be free pa no. I mean tia opani a omo chi guys say. Sa story we no nya opani a onsanka. So no de omo tia brochire.
It's your Florida.
It's your Florida.
Hey, how na captain wo?
I'm just want to approach this guy.
Check it in man.
I'm not going to where you bro. Oh me bro. Aza sisi ka se jopani wo Florida wo.
Oh, ni Florida.
I want to hear of. Say ni rawo. Ani rawo. Do kono ma bedroom.
I will tell you o wanje
ni.
O wanje no
resume. Mo in hard dream bebre.
Za. Do na wo ho. I want my bedroom.
So say akwa bi nsuso ano so no ex convict na oba back no wonna namu na no ena wasasa kwako
it was so nti
also oya dey
ex convict
first one the first one
there be some ena me dey am side to us
it just is people body have na we na no
eti pa no fun wo
as conference
na padi no ena na wana na no de ya wasasa ko bobo kro no kakra na wenchi no na wenchi no kro no ron e na me say about 3 or 4 na ni nyina no okobo kro no na wagya ni ntasu e wo ho no ne ade a on betimi aron DNA na de abechi no ti ai say omo behwe no kro no e kobo no ha no omo kro na DNA na ntasu no e the same no omo yanti at the court no business e ba nse no ron sa no so ono awakọ afiase waba na opekwan foforo bi a obetimi afa so na wasan akọ obiem na Canal Plus sa cable TV no also prison wona onyan free ma won yi ma ohwe na ono wontimi ntuase na so opekwan foforo bi no wasan akọ back to prison
o ma try Ghana prison kono na ma bi kwaku
na wasan akọ
Liverpool me ka so me kwa na me suru awo say Liverpool coach no
awo saying
awo ntimi awo wada no yes ano I say a year Liverpool hono wono na niji ho all right and the contract go be so I think say 2022 but I say I'm sure whether changes in it no I hear no de omo gya ho and just say no I no ho no ontimi awo no kra tama wo Germany no say break with me pa tama wo na ba no na kwete ba bi wo hye kakra no asaba but UK on there such a way say tama mboko say break no tata kwa na ho no aso ho ma no ti awon ha na pa anti na ni spokesperson asa ni manager ne say anhwe yi a na nya boss na be na free ho dem mum awon nti na you ka wo ho sa won
na woni ho
too much awon e ba boso no be mu
efi sa break ya akopem
na fe na me kopem me say and me twin shada wa ntimi awo
bani Dr. Kwamche
dio
kotoko Kwamche na akọ
Dr. Kwamche minim ni po tu no fo senka Ofie president o ma preview na oh yes na ni abrede den say unity and na ni abre pa nko oba
president
about me say
oh David
no ball no more am start table
am for bompa ya man ama adekrona training so was one nko bi me ana ne ho ye me nwanwa pa
ojo so nya le kotoko
na ho ye nwanwa pa
na sen ya wo ye yi ankakra kra wi say
bukomba nkusu se enchobaje wo title amagana o si we no krokoje no na na do afre no e o mapenda da ma so afre no ne ade na me hu Stephen Apia di amanfo bi sasa o person ko GF president
da bi o se anye we ya no o ka de say o so emiri bi beba football for na be football school kruma sasa o ko abrochira sa na tie o ko England former players na football aduma no
ayamu omo no former players na omo yire omo ko school because na no ade ayi Man City for captain and three hwimi organa ha ke beka say asramti ball crime man Vincent company kwa oni tipa ne mama and I know ya omo testimonial match man ne man no so ba ne kwali so tisa na say we dey monya baby akotra Ghana ha ye hwemanim kura na opani owie ene ball Man City no now I am the masters at University of Manchester. We I am the coaching course. We are say or a player coach. I say the masters. Yeah. Is it in administration or something? It is such a person no na owns a gradually or kwakwa baby na.
Na o de beron.
Ne papa so cry the only black male of Belgium was said it on the mo no de kwakura
mainstream politics.
E dia wadwe so player no famous. Debi well she and the account by a place na ya na omo mani nkosa ade no
dokro die ne yemo ane ka sa akase chima
onye sika unso akware obabi obetete no
pompe makoko
enye ya so na won ni won
che place akase wo krum hayi
when ya che
mu be 7 omo no mo yira twema nso ama izei
ejapade na go do inside
me boa
papa de na me mu se ekosi se pesi ni pai
ha de ni be na pesi nso no de
nso de be kiki gura bi ni se na kosi san ya
nse na se no mo se ayi opini wife akodi ni se but minim ho ansem
za kwaku ayi story bi awa ma me nkansa na mako ayi school placement ya bai ho nsensem no ayi dos
na na po
na honorable so to be onya mo honorable I say honorable say na koma be no kakra na po ke me tie
ne kokonya na se usuru so
ne kokonya
na kan
asa ne kokonya
asa de ode wada
ba bi owo no adwuma na wo ye no me sre no ayi on fa koma nka ho I just say bibia ha obi a onka se bibia ha no kwakwe ba microphone ya dwuma ma company microphone me ba me nya konwa trans won se mi su konwa eti sauti ni koka se nipa bi ne ya shara bom pa ya de bass
me sa sa no na me pese meti sa no mo say enra na me ka no excuse me, we don't need this.
We don't need
you to come and tell us this. And today, somebody is trying to sabotage this. The
2 days near and Madame Eunice on the mammy. I think independence.
The way I am both was I do know and I'm here. I don't even want to.
Why business issue? And the BBA trying independence for 2 days. As I'm not going to do any money. I'm going to from we are sorry. I'm more to know we are sorry. It shouldn't be so. Na no so anokra no na da bia na da nipa na nkeka nsema abesem krofo abufuo kwakua no so ho asem
yan fancy ebreko na ayi abrante ba ko bi nsuso ene ayi hwe bomoden na ron sa edin etoatoa so ha mame
akuna story we so adu twempa o
me ba about 12 names
mame na krofo ba be wia no na oyisu na adwen
the wrong names na wase your mame no r ni nyina no
na boni nyina
ai hwe ne ma wa wo mo kwa no wa 12 na ose ebia opeso wo oba obekọ na ebema na ode edin no are started that most of them to players din ose ope Brazilian players now
me
started are no
na me hu Ruan me hu Rubens me say hu Rivaldo me hu Ruan me say hu Roman Rencon Requirement Maria so ha
yeah
Racing Anna Raphael
Obakofo and na wawo 13th boy and no so na ko try oba sa na still a boy and then no so am so on the ato Ronaldo something o say one na iri ni nyai da on be koso akopem so on benya oba awo opeso nya oba awo and on this around 13 no
but kwaku sa mistake ko me break cry ya okromo ase e be ba mo dem 67
serious
o say dey we aso so ko dey wo do we break pa
anyways your first that can say ma Imboost herbal mixture police you know edru no onya bina onomo a we number 1 immune booster ya ebo yi pa na se o menstrual no sisi o menses no nkoyi a ebehwa ka bibia to yi na fe liver me ka menstrual ti asema me kan man san ka menses me ka menstrual ka me disorders be so and disorders na che there be a che ya ma ɛna me san bɛka sɛ o menses ne nko yi a nti opani menya from so
right jadori di the same
imboost herbal mixture aka police ni no aduru no na o kidney anase liver no so won sem bia aduru betimi aboa san so na wakoma na fe kokoso problem bia we di mu achi bremo ne ade o spine ni na tete wa aduru ba ko bedi wa kagiremu no police ni aduru no imboost herbal mixture why emre won pam se twon be me na be se gina na so biem wa diabetes anase pressure how adwene ade nyina no obu a ne we de no ba bia tititi wuti ni kura wonte no imboost herbal mixture police ni aduru no na en solve our problems we na ema prekope e ba tro benya bia to ba bia tonton haba nru ma yafa na ba bia nyesa Kings Walk or Kanshi Drug Lane won kran ha na bo achi wa akra na fit ma Hillside Pharmacy won kokko Jukad Tribe of Judah okon ma obenya bi nso ato e won yes out there frɛ 0243 115948 and 0246 208 496 na do bi ohia bia nso no onsa ebeka Super Sam Cement or build your dream we a super strong European standard cement developing especially for Ghana cement a bit menya hoto so mu making sure say o building no and your concrete products ni na no a bit me stay strong power for centuries to come and into project now we na ya de wa koma so yi pa make sure so be use Super Sem cement now they are na atimi adimu na aye kama pa Super Sem it is produced right here in Ghana by CBI Ghana Waterma Free Zone Enclave wa na be hunu block factories masons ne contractors ne we are no mun na de djuma sampa ne ho odin ane bo so da form kama pa mpacho frɛ 0553060517 any nkomo emfa Super Sem cement and Super Sem cement build your dream. Airtel Tigo and the Wakofa Fuse bundle they about the only core bundle which does not expire. Oba friend networks in our browser with no expiry wahala. Time there and your problem cry on Airtel Tigo Fuse bundle until you phone see about *567# ne bundle. CCR Airtel Tigo life is simple. I feel we